Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is your Lola Ma-cel and today I'm going to show you the secrets behind YouTube premieres. Marami tayong malalaman today. Today I'm gonna show you a very short tutorial na kadidiscover ko pa lang. Okay, because lately kung lagi kayong nagsiset up ng premiere, yung ibang mga premieres parang bago yung kanilang countdown preview, 'di ba? Yung arts. Yung pala, we can edit pala. There are so many choices. So, for example, here, I already set up a premiere. May schedule na yan for tomorrow. Now, what do we have to do? We have to go here sa ating, of course, as you can see, I am using my YT Studio sa Chrome. We go to our Edit Premiere. Okay. So, ang aking napili for tomorrow's premiere is dramatic theme. Okay, so nakita ko na yung dramatic theme. We can still choose if you don't, that's not what you want. Ayan, narito tayo sa edit premiere. Your video is scheduled as a live premiere, blah, 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 blah. At 4 p.m., you can also customize the viewer experience by deciding what they watch before and after. Okay. Dito tayo sa before, which is the countdown. Countdown lets you build anticipation and set the mood for your premiere. Select the theme and length that best matches your video content. Of course, as we all know, karamihan sa mga tao laging 2 minutes yung kasi parang yan yata yung default. So I chose 1 minute and at the same time here, meron tayong countdown theme. So nakita ko na yung dramatic countdown theme. Let us try funky. Alright? Let us see kung ano. Oh, so ito yung funky. Wow, let's check it out. Excuse the other sounds. The cricket sound. It's my messenger's notification. So, diba? Funky. Why not? I make my premiere for tomorrow funky. Alright. So, funky na lang kesa sa dramatic. Or, let us check out other kind of countdown theme. Alright. So, we have seen funky. Let us try bright. Okay. Ayun. Okay. This is bright. Diba? Diba? Aba. Maganda, diba? 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 Aba, kakaiba. Yan. Parang bet ko itong bright. Ayoko na ng dramatic, ayoko ng funky. I will choose this theme. Diba? And also, yan. You can set your countdown length to 1 minute. Yung default, which is 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4, 5, sobra naman yan, diba? Sometimes other people are like setting up a premiere na 15 minutes or longer. Why would you add like 2 minutes, diba? So I will just set it to 1 minute and I will choose bright. Diba? Yeah. So, and another thing, yung hindi pa marunong maglagay ng trailer, simply here, you add trailer. Okay. Nakapaglagay na ako ng trailer. If we want to like change it, simply click it and edit it, okay? But I will not change it. Class. I hope this simple tutorial will help you make your video uploads a little bit exciting for everyone. So now I'm gonna click save because I have chosen bright countdown theme for my premiere tomorrow. I will set up another premiere and I'll make another short video for another kind of themes, countdown theme, okay? Yan, ang inyong Lola Ma-cel. Always discovering, always curious, and always learning. Let us not stop learning. Let us not stop being curious. Let us have the curiosity and heart of a child. God bless everyone. This is your Lola Ma-cel saving my chosen countdown for tomorrow. See you tomorrow, mga lalabs. I have a very, very yummy video for all of you. Hello guys. So for the second part of this tutorial, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo yung kung paano ba tayo maglagay ng trailer sa ating mga premieres. Okay, so narito ako again sa aking YT Studio using Chrome, of course. Yan, so okay. So sa channel content, meron ako naka-ready na premiere. I'm gonna click it. Okay, we click the pencil. That is for edit, of course. Yan yung edit icon. So this is the video details. Okay, pupunta tayo dito sa my right side. Here, we can see yung edit premiere. We are going to click this upang tayo ay makapaglagay ng what do you call that one? Tayo ay makapaglagay ng trailer, okay? So, I will click it, edit premiere. Okay. Yan. As I click edit premiere, eto na yon. Dito, eto yung window na lalabas. Here, we can do yung nauna kong pinakita to change the theme of the countdown and the length of the countdown. Alright, so dito tayo sa may bantang baba. Here we can see the word trailer. Okay, kung wala pang trailer ang ating premiere, may makikita tayong add trailer. Since meron na ako napili, what I'm gonna do is just click this one, yung aking napili na trailer. Yan, pag click ko yan, right, yun. Pag click natin yon, lalabas yung ating mga short videos na mayroong haba na 30 seconds to 54 seconds to 1 minute up to 3 minutes. Mamimili tayo ng mga trailer na pwede nating magamit. Okay? Yan. So, whenever we upload something, for example, a short video, wag natin i-instant premiere or ipadaan sa premiere if in the near future, we would like to use it as a trailer. Hindi kasi siya lalabas. Okay? So here, ito yung mga pagpipilian. So, let us pretend na wala pa ako napili kanina na pang trailer ko. Okay? So all of these videos that you can see right now, yung aking sinuzoom, ay mga short videos. Meron siyang haba na seconds lamang, maybe like 40 to 54 seconds up to 2 to 3 minutes, okay? Okay, let us pretend I have not yet chosen any trailer for my video na pinapakita ko sa inyo as part of my tutorial. Alright. Oh, I don't like that one. Weekly meal plan, hindi bagay. So we click the pencil again. And I'm gonna click the first one here. Yung pantakam sa inyo ni, alright. So, yun. Yan. So, ayan na siya, diba? Pantakam sa inyo ni Lola Ma-cel. Alright. So, ang haba niya is 1 minute and 30 seconds. And landscape siya because my video for my premiere is also landscape. Kaya yan, lumabas. What we are going to do right now is save it. Save. So, click save. Upon clicking save, of course, naturally, ang ating premiere na scheduled for tomorrow, I scheduled it for tomorrow. Yan o. Okay, this is how you set up a premiere. You will choose set as premiere. Okay? O yan. Kasi yung iba, they uploaded a video privately and then they just simply click schedule. Pagka i-click nyo lang schedule, it will become only public pagka tumating na yung time ng schedule. But it does not mean it was a premiere. Makikita nyo yung visibility sa inyong YT Studio if premiere nga ba yung inyong na-click. So you are going to click set up as premiere or set as premiere. Ganun po yon, okay? So be careful. Baka magtaka kayo, bakit ganun? Well, if somebody is like telling you to edit and set up your video as a premiere, set it up as a premiere. Mababasa naman, meron naman, oh. Alright, so now, yan. So, click done. Ganun lang po kasimple. Alright. Magpunta tayo sa aking channel and let us see if lumabas nga ba yung trailer. Ayan. So here. Okay, so eto na po yung aking napiling premiere for tomorrow. Tinamsakan ko na and I clicked reminder on. Para naman hindi ko makalimutan because sometimes even though I am the one who created the video or have uploaded it, ay nakakalimutan ko. Alright. So ayan. So successful ang ating pagpili ng trailer para sa ating premiere. And also, I would like to show you how to give jacket o yung tinatawag na 'di ba? Sa mga LS, sa mga premieres, we ask for a jacket. All right. Papakita natin. So ito naman very clearly, 'di ba? Nakikita nyo yung video. We have the video and sa lower part is the title, yung tamsak. And then sa gitna, mayroong live chat. We are going to click that live chat. Okay, so may mga nag-comment na sa loob ng aking live chat. Mula dito, we are just going to click the name of the person and then we are going to click add moderator. Yan. Bukas or mamaya, if that person would comment, magiging blue na yung kanyang name. Yan. So, ang giving of jacket ay yung tinatawag na add moderator. So, yan ang ating pwedeng gawin pag tayo ay mayroong live stream or premiere para naman very clearly ay madali nating makita or mabasa ang names ng mga taong sumusuporta sa ating mga videos. I hope you find this tutorial very helpful. See you tomorrow, ladies and gents. Yan, ang aking premiere ay August 26, 4 p.m. Papakita ko sa inyo ang napakadaling paggawa ng malambot na bubble breads. Yan. Okay? So, see you tomorrow, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much.